Hi homeowners, I'm Sam from Fixer, and today I want to talk to you about your roofing tile. You know, tiles are some of the best roofing money can buy, and they come in a few varieties. They can be made from concrete, slate, and clay like we have here. Slate tiles are too expensive for most homeowners to afford, so most residential tiles are either made from clay or concrete. Now, the qualities of a tile roof partially depend on what material the tiles are made from, but there are consistent benefits and downsides to any professionally installed tile roof across the board. If you're considering clay, concrete, or even slate tiles for your roof, keep watching. I'll outline the various pros and cons that might make tile the best or worst covering for your roof. One of the primary reasons homeowners shell out for tile is its exceptional longevity. The weight of tile makes it one of the most wind-resistant roof coverings on the market, and virtually wind-proof. And because they're made from natural rock, roofing tiles are highly resistant to fire, moisture, rot, and insects. These qualities make the tile relatively low maintenance, and they even allow it to last up to, and sometimes over 100 years. In some cases, roofing tiles last longer than the decking beneath them. Inferior roof coverings like asphalt shingles or wooden shakes just can't match the longevity like that, even if you maintain them perfectly. Superior insulation is another one of tile's key benefits. Homes with tile roofs maintain their internal temperatures better than homes with asphalt roofs, so they use less energy to stay cool in the summer and warm in the winter. This means that installing tiles on your roof can significantly lower your energy bills and reduce your environmental impact. The last advantage tile has over other roof coverings is appearance. Authentic tile just looks so much better than even the most attractive asphalt or rubber shingles, even when these materials are designed to mimic tile's appearance. Additionally, tile roofing comes in an immense variety of colors and shapes, so you can get a tile roof that perfectly suits your taste. Well, that about does it for tile's advantages. Now, let's talk about tile's drawbacks. I've already alluded to the high installation costs of tile, but it really bears repeating that tile is one of the most expensive roof coverings you can get. The prices for clay and concrete tile can be feasible depending on where you live, but slate tiles are always exorbitantly priced. You'll usually spend 3 to 5 times as much on a tile roof as you would on an asphalt shingle roof. This makes it a bad option for anyone on a shoestring budget. And even if you have the necessary funds, you should really only buy tile roofing for a home you plan to live in for the next however many years or the rest of your life. If you install tile on your roof and then move out a few years later, you won't get to reap the full benefits of your big investment. To make matters worse, you sometimes have to pay even more than just the installation and material costs when you get the tile roofing. Tile is exceptionally heavy. This took me a very long time to get up on this table. Much heavier than asphalt, rubber, wood, and metal roofing, and not all roofs can support this weight. The result is that switching to tile sometimes requires adding extra reinforcement to your home structure. This can add thousands of dollars onto your project costs. Now, the final downside of tile is its low impact resistance. Tile usually won't break in strong winds, but it can shatter if it's struck by large hailstones, falling branches, or a stray baseball. It can also break when stepped on, which is why I have to be extra careful when I'm installing these on a customer's roof. That's basically all there is to know about tile. If you still want to get tile installed on your roof, click the comment pin below to find a local installer, and if you like this video, like and subscribe to catch all of our other videos about home improvement. Speaking of, you can watch this video we made on roof maintenance. See you around.